Have you heard coworkers, news anchors, and even sports broadcasters talking about analytics but have no idea what that actually means? Hi, I'm Brian Amrine with Value Driven Analytics, here today to explain exactly what analytics means. Analytics is simply the study of patterns in data for the purpose of identifying trends, finding correlations, and optimizing decisions. And it's so critical because it helps organizations make better, data-driven decisions compared to the traditional gut instinct decisions driven by personal experience. The field of analytics has gotten so big over the last 20 or more years that there are actually subfields of analytics. There is reporting analytics, there is data science, so many other fields, and each one of those has a different specialty and the way they use data to help organizations make decisions. So for instance, a reporting analyst, especially these days, might use an interactive visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau, some of the most popular reporting tools. They might use those to present data and show management trends in things like sales and productivity. An interactive visualization tool actually allows the viewer to drill into trends themselves. They don't even have to go to an analyst to drill down on time periods, on geographies, on business segments. Then there's ad hoc analysis, just answering key questions that the business has. It could be diving into a trend that they perhaps saw in a dashboard to figure out what's really driving that trend. And so an analyst would look at the data and figure out, oh, that trend is actually driven specifically in this geography or in this business segment. It's really among customers that have gone through this initiative. Another example of an ad hoc analysis could be diving into initiatives that the company has tried in the past. Maybe there's sales initiatives, maybe there's marketing initiatives, investments that the company has made, and using data to actually assess which investments are actually paying off and driving sales, driving revenue, and which ones aren't, is a very popular thing that analysts do. Now, when you get into the data science space, the difference between analytics and data science is data scientists are focusing on building models, all kinds of modeling algorithms. And there's really two types of models. One that's predictive. They're trying to predict something, maybe predicting sales into the future. Wouldn't it be nice for scheduling purposes and for procurement purposes to have an idea of what sales are going to be in each month or week or even day, sometimes even hourly? Wouldn't that be nice? Well, using historical data, a data scientist can make a future prediction. Now, they can also predict things like which prospects on a huge list of prospective buyers, which ones are actually most likely to purchase versus the least likely. Which you can use to help prioritize which ones your sales team actually focuses on and ends up calling. And that would be based on looking in the past at historical data among all the prospects that you've called, which ones have actually decided to move forward with a purchase. You can learn from that and make better decisions in the future. That's what analytics and data science is all about. So those are a couple of examples of predictive analyses that a data scientist might work on. But there's also prescriptive models. And prescriptive models are all about identifying relationships in variables. Does this variable have a relationship and drive another variable? For instance, does marketing spend actually have an impact on sales, or is there no relationship? That's something that a data scientist might look into. So those are just three high-level subfields within analytics. You've got reporting analytics, you've got ad hoc analysts that answer business questions, and then you've got data scientists as well. I want to thank you for watching today. I hope you got a lot out of it. And if you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Now, if you have any questions about what we covered, please consider leaving a comment, and I'll try to respond to it as soon as I can. One last thing, if you or your organization ever need anything analytics related, an analysis, a dashboard build, maybe a data science model build, perhaps deeper training on this very topic or other analytics topics, even a complete analytics transformation, please consider value-driven analytics. Check out our site at valuedrivenanalytics.com, and if it resonates with you, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.